Hi there. So this is a quick video on how to get yourself set up on Facebook's Business Manager. So basically, Facebook Business Manager is a separate platform to Facebook, which is used related to everything to do with business. So that could be actually managing your business pages via this platform, and it can also be used for advertisement, so Facebook advertisement. And the reason you want to get signed up on this is so ourselves or you can place a pixel onto your website. And what a pixel does, essentially, anyone that is logged into a browser anyone who's logged into that actual Facebook account, and they, open up a new tab and they land on your website, that information is then stored in the pixel. So anyone that visits your website is populated into a list. You can't actually see, each individual person, but that information is stored and that data is there. And why would you want to do that? Simply, it can be used for retargeting people through advertisement of your services or products. It's a great tool. It's so simple to do, and once you get going, it's just great data and can be really useful. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to this website, which is business.facebook.com. And then you'll need to create an account, and all you need for that is a personal Facebook account. And obviously, you'll need to be an admin of the business page that you have set up for your business. Once you've done that, so similar to what they post on here, really, so you log in, create an account, you enter your name and confirm your identity with Facebook login credentials, and sort of follow the prompts from there. Once you've done that, I'll just log into mine and show you. It will ask what you'll need to do next is create yourself an ad account within that. So you've got the business sort of manager, but within that you'll need to create an ad account. So for our team at Nettle, this is the business, but then within this there is an ad account, which is here. And once you've got all that set up, you'll be given a unique ID, which you can see here. I will go into the business settings and just show you that. So add accounts, and then there's us here. So this is a unique sort of ID for the ad account. And what you'll need to do with that is once you've got that and it's linked to your business page and everything, you'll need to copy that. And then if you go to partner, sorry, no, actually ignore that. Once you've made that, if you copy that and send it to us, we can request to become a partner and get access to your ad account. And from there, we can set up the pixel for you. And, in the future, we can, do ads for you, or, if you choose to do them yourself, then that's absolutely fine. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense. But it's a great way to start populating data. And the earlier you get it on, the richer the data is.